Allegheny County Controller Chelsa Wagner appeared in a Detroit courtroom this morning for a hearing on charges related to her arrest at a hotel. John Delano is in the courtroom and says there were some fireworks. He joins us live from Detroit with the latest. John.
Well, there sure were some fireworks between both the prosecuting attorney and the defense counsel. And all of this, of course, was in a courtroom where today really was the last chance for Chelsa Wagner and her attorneys to argue that all these charges should be dismissed against her before going to trial. And so there was a motion to do that. And as I say, this was Chelsa Wagner's last chance before trial. Chelsa Wagner and her husband, Kahari Mosley, entered the Wayne County Courthouse in Detroit early Tuesday morning, where before Judge Regina Thomas, Wagner's attorney, Charles Longstreet, asked that all charges be dismissed.
It's clear from the video from Officer Glowowski that my client did not block the elevator door. It's clear she stepped to the side, she allowed the officers into the elevator, and actually abided by their commands for her to move. I guess they believe she didn't move enough, and that's when we believe that the police officers then committed an assault against Ms. Wagner.
Longstreet told the court that Wagner broke no Michigan laws.
We know that the officers and the officers admit that their job is to enforce Michigan law. There was no Michigan law being enforced at the time that they were taking Mr. Mosley out of the hotel. So what was their function? What exactly was they doing? They don't have a legal duty to the hotel unless Mr. Mosley or Ms. Wagner were committing Michigan crimes. In this instance, they were not.
But Assistant Wayne County Prosecutor Erica Tussar vigorously objected, saying the local magistrate was correct to bind Wagner over for trial.
The standard clearly is, did the court abuse their discretion? No, they didn't. Ms. Wagner clearly disobeyed the directions of the officer. She intervened in this. It excuses and it omits all of what Mr. Mosley was doing from the time the police encountered him.
In the end, Judge Thomas would not overrule the earlier decision to allow the case to go forward.
The standard is very, very low. It is probable cause. So the court is going to deny the motion of quash.
So that means there will be a trial in this case, and in fact, the judge and the parties set a date, November 12th. Chelsa Wagner will make her case, or the prosecution will make the case against her, and there'll be a defense, of course. The defense said it would take 2 weeks to try this case. The judge was not very receptive to that, saying, I'll give you a week. And she warned the parties not to engage in theatrics, which, of course, they try to do all the time when you have good lawyers on both sides. We're going to have much more of this coming up in tonight's broadcast. Live in Detroit, I'm John Delano, KDKA News.